Let me show you how to use your universal cloning remote control if you want to clone another remote control onto this one, or also maybe if you have lost the remote control for your gates or garage doors or shutters or whatever you might have. Also, if you are looking to get this remote control, so in the description I'll include a special link where you can get it for literally like $1 with free shipping. So yep, I got mine from AliExpress and literally like $1 with free shipping if you purchase multiple of them. Literally like, again, so insanely cheap. So when this remote control arrives, it actually already has some like standard codes on it, so it might already work with some gates or garage doors essentially. But first, yeah, if it doesn't, we can simply reset it and place it in this like programming mode essentially. So the way we do it, there are actually like multiple different manufacturers of these, so it's a bit different. There are 3 main methods. So simply try all of these I'm going to show you and simply see which works for you. So first what we can do is we can simply press A plus B and hold for a few seconds. So if that doesn't work, you can also again press A and B, but this time release the B and press the B 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then also release the A. If that doesn't work, method number 3, so press and hold the C plus D, so those lowers, again, then A plus B, and again release, and 1, 2, 3, and also release A. So simply check which method works for you, and then basically clone basically your old remote onto this one. So everything we do is we simply press and hold the button you want to program on this new one. So you see I'll press and hold it, and then place my old remote nearby it, so right on it essentially, and press also the button. And you see as soon as I press it, basically it started blinking, and it basically was able to read the code from this and store in this one. So you see if I now hold it, you see it's like constant, that means there is already the code onto it. But yeah, if you press this, you see there's no code, it simply goes off. So yeah, let's also do another button. So again, press and hold the B, for example, nearby, again press the button on another one, and you see it got cloned essentially. So what to do if you perhaps have lost your original remote control? Then, for example, for all garage doors, there is a special learning mode that you can place the garage door basically mechanism inside. So simply check your garage door opener, and there should be like a special button that you can press to basically send over a signal to this remote control for programming remote controls. So again, basically the mechanism is sending the same signal over that your old remote has. So again, what you would do is simply press and hold the button you want to program on this one, and then also simply press the button on your remote, basically the gate control essentially. So yeah, and that's about it. So absolutely awesome. So again, literally like $1 is free shipping for this thing, and works absolutely great. Okay, like